One of my bulbs went out, so I'm going to replace them both with these. Now note, those bulbs have been in the car since I've had the car. Here's what they look like. I wanted to get one that at least had this outer, I don't know, plastic, so that the light would go through it and then the whole thing would illuminate more instead of just having separate LEDs glowing. So hopefully this is a whole lot brighter. It's a whole lot more LEDs. And yeah, this is rubbery. Like the headlight that I have now on the low beams, they're glass compared to these are being rubber. I hope they fit. I recommend you don't work on the car after it's been running all day in the heat of the sun. It's not a good. But anyway, look at this one. Look at it. Okay, now look at this one. Look at that. So I expect this one to be a whole lot lighter than the one over there. That one is burnt out, so never mind that one. Alright, putting it back in is a little tricky, so good luck. That's the background noise. Alright, that's in there. Let's take a look at it. Oh boy, that one's lit up. That one is not. And make sure you flip it and test it before you stick it in there. Always, even if you're tired. Oh man, that's brighter. That is significantly brighter. Wow. You see right here, once you reach past that, you can see it right in there. So yeah, you can see it right there. So pay attention to that while you're doing that. So this one actually still works. It's just, you see that right there? I think that's loose. So when that touches right there, those are connected. It actually still lights up perfectly. So maybe a little soldering can fix that, but it actually still lights up. But I wouldn't put it anywhere on the outside of the car because it being shook up will make it not bright. Once again, look, I'm gonna try and get my angle so you can see it. You want to aim right up there and you'll see it go in. There's actually some light here that's going through from this side, and you'll see the light and you'll see it go in that way. You'll probably do the same thing on this side, but I see it. Going too high, too low. Nope, I need to go further over. There we go. And I still need to go further over. That should be the hole right there. Yep. And let's get it. My hand. I don't have small hands. Oh, that's hot too. There we go. There it is. And then flick it up, and it's in there. Woo! Oh boy. While I'm here, I will look at my filter. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Let's do it one-handed until I they come in this. Oh, pretty clean. There's like a bunch of junk. There's just a bunch of junk on the one side, but there's really nothing going on in the front. Stays pretty clean. Nah, you can't make that out.